Are you ready for the festival shopping frenzy? But before we dive into the offers and discounts, let's look at how you are going to pay for all that shopping. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can use your credit card wisely during your festival shopping. Many banks and credit card companies tie up with popular brands to offer exclusive discounts, cashback, or additional reward points. But here's the catch. Not every card offers the same benefits. For instance, some cards may give you 10% cashback on electronics, while others might offer discounts on fashion purchases. So match the type of shopping you plan to do with the card that offers the best deals in that category. Festival shopping often means big-ticket items like new TVs or smartphones. If you're planning to splurge on something expensive, make sure you're using a card that offers EMI options or no-cost EMI. Paying through EMI can be a great way to manage your budget without feeling the pinch all at once. But ensure you've done your research, as some EMI plans come with hidden charges or processing fees. Many credit cards come with spending caps on cashback. For example, your card might offer 10% cashback but only up to Rs 2,000. If your festival shopping exceeds that amount, you won't earn any more cashback beyond the limit. This is why it's important to read the fine print before making big purchases. If you're nearing the cashback cap on one card, consider using another card for the rest of your purchases to maximize savings. Ever heard of stacking offers? This is a great festival hack. Some online stores allow you to stack multiple offers such as a store discount, a festive coupon, and your credit card's discount all in one go. So don't just stop at credit card offers, and make sure you apply coupons, use festive deals, and take advantage of any additional store promotions. But do note that not all cards allow you to combine offers. Keep an eye out for this. During festivals, it is easy to get carried away with spending. To avoid overshooting your budget, track your expenses, whether it is through your bank's mobile app or a dedicated budgeting app. Keeping tabs on your purchases ensures you don't go overboard. Set a budget before you start your shopping and stick to it. Some credit cards also have built-in tools to help you monitor your spending, which can be a great feature to take advantage of during the busy festive season. Lastly, don't forget about reward points. Festival time is a great opportunity to redeem the points you've accumulated over the year. Many credit cards allow you to convert reward points into vouchers or use them directly for purchases. Check your card's rewards portal to see what options you have. Some cards even offer accelerated points during the festive season. Festival shopping can be exciting, but a little strategy can go a long way in saving your money. So whether it's maximizing your reward points, tracking your expenses, or choosing the right credit card, these tips can help you shop smart during the festival season.